Hello everybody and welcome to CapCut tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to remove background in CapCut. It's a pretty simple process, so you can follow step by step. Right now, as you can see, I'm in the home page of CapCut. From here we are going to be clicking on new project. We need to start by selecting a video into our timeline, so I'm going to be choosing one and click on add. You can see our video is now added, and I'm going to be simply removing the background for this video. From the effects below, scroll until you can find cutout. Click on that, and here as you can see we have this option of remove background, which is going to be helping us. Click on remove background, click on check mark from the bottom right side of your screen, and you'll be able to see that our background is now removed. To make your background removal process more smoother, you can click on customize cutout and use the brush to make precise adjustments. You can see I'm using brush to make this appear into our video, so you can see it is selected. So you can just repeat this process until you find your best results. Click on check mark from the bottom right side of your screen, and you'll be able to see that you have a really nice clean background removal process done. That's a pretty simple process on how to remove background in CapCut. I really hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.